Hi, I'm David Smith. I love senior housing, and I love people like you who are involved in helping senior adults make the difficult decision to move. Eventually, my experience in sales and sales management led my partner Alex Fisher and I to form Sherpa, a company dedicated to providing the senior housing industry with the most intuitive and sophisticated sales conversion tool. There's no doubt that the sales scenario for senior housing is very different from what it takes to sell other demand-driven products like clothing or wholesale foods or automobiles. So what makes it so different? The most notable fact is that an overwhelming majority of qualified prospects aren't looking to buy and have very negative feelings about what we're trying to sell. In fact, as the Journal of Housing for the Elderly found, 90% of today's seniors spend the rest of their life in the place where they celebrated their 75th birthday. I guess that leaves the remaining 10% of the market for all the rest of us to fight over. Exciting, huh? But there's good news in all of this. The 90% of potential age and income qualified prospects live only 3 to 5 miles from your community. So what's the takeaway? First, do the math. A community with 100 units and 90% occupancy only needs 10 sales to get them full. 10 sales, 10. And those 10 sales might be in that 10% that you deem uninterested. In fact, I've built a career out of using prospect-centered selling to work with cold leads, the prospects who just aren't ready yet. Sometimes they move, sometimes they don't, but invariably, among that 90%, you can find enough prospects to fill your building. Get to know the forgotten corners of your existing database. Go back and treat them as if they were new leads. Remember, the goal isn't to move them in tomorrow. The goal isn't necessarily even to get them in for a tour. Restart a conversation, and if possible, find a way to help them advance towards getting ready. That's it. Sometimes it can really be that simple. To be continued.